Febul, happy birthday! Hi, Ate Febul, happy birthday! I wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Ate Febul! Hi, Feb! Happy birthday! Ilang taon ka na? Ha? Ilang taon ka na? 18? Hala! Hi, Ate! Hi, Feb! More birthdays to come. More blessings. Sana makatapos tayo ng pag-aaral. Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat. Uuwi ka. Sana makauwi ka. Tapos bigyan mo agad ako regalo. Ang regalo ko lang sa'yo ang big kiss. Happy birthday, Pe. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tefel. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I'm so happy for you. Ang ganda mo. Happy 18th birthday. Hi!
Happy birthday, Ate Feb. More birthdays to come. God bless you, Mama. Love you. Ingat ka parating. Miss you. Love you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Febul.
Ingat. I love you. I miss you. Prosper.
Hi, Feb. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Study hard. God bless you.
Happy birthday, may God continue to bless you at makakatagpo ka na ng pinakagwapang mamahalin mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Feb. God bless you. More of God's blessing. Favor and you grow more in your relationship with the Lord.
Feb, happy birthday. We miss you. We hope you'll enjoy your day today. But we hope that you will grow deeper in the knowledge of Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior.
Birthday. Miss ko peanut butter mo.
Hi Ate Febun, happy 18th birthday. Stay pretty and smart. God bless.
Happy birthday. May bulan na lang. So, you will have more blessings to come and good luck with your 18th birthday.
Hi, happy birthday. Pebon, happy birthday. Sige na, yun lang masabi ko. Happy birthday. Miss na kita.
Feb, happy birthday. Happy birthday mo. Good luck sa birthday mo, ha.
Febun, I love you. I love you so much. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you, Mama. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Febun.
Happy birthday. At ingat ka lagi.
Happy birthday. Galing sa atin, kilala mo pa man ako kung classmate mo. Dito pangalan ko. Hindi mo ko nakalimutan. Dala lang strawberry galing Baguio, ha? Magaling ka dito. Okay, salamat. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. Hi, Febun. Happy birthday and sana okay ka lang and ingat ka.
Happy birthday.
Happiest 18th birthday to the most kind, loving, caring, and understanding person that I know. Hi Tooth! Happy 18th birthday! Sana nakikilala mo pa ako. First of all, I would like to apologize for what had happened last December. Sorry because I wasn't able to bond with you when you went home. Kasi akala ko na ite-text mo kung kailan ka free para makapag-bonding tayo. Pero yun din pala, hinihintay mo lang din pala yung text ko kung kailan ako free. Kaya ayun, hindi tayo nagkaintindihan hanggat sa nagtampo ko sa akin. Tapos bumalik ka na lang sa Baguio. Ngayon hindi tayo nakapag-bonding. Sorry talaga Tooth kung naging pangit yung ending natin ng 2014. Pero sana this 2015, pagbalik mo on May, sana makapag-catch up na tayo and sana magbati na tayo. Sana ite-text mo na ako ulit. Sana hindi ka na nagtatampo. Yun, I just want to thank you for the friendship. Thank you kasi lagi ka na dyan para sa akin. And thank you kasi kahit anong nangyari, hanggat sa makakaya mo, tinutulungan mo ko, and lagi ka lang nandyan para sa akin kahit hindi tayo laging magkasama. You know kung paano tayo naging close, diba? We became close, as in super close, nung second year high school tayo, yung as in parang hindi na tayo mapahiwalay, hindi na tayo mapahiwalay. Those mga Clara days, nasabay tayo nanonood via text, yun, ang saya balikan ng mga memories na yun. Pwede pa naman natin dagdagan yun, diba? Kasi nung papatawad mo pa naman ako, diba? Sana dude, mapatawad mo na, sana magbati na tayo. I just want you to know that you're like a sister to me, and having you as my friend is such a great blessing because you're such a good person. You're super bait, as if wala kang dark side, and super duper maasahan ka talaga sa lahat ng bagay. Now that you're a lady, I just want you to know that I will be always here for you pa rin kahit na 18 ka na, kahit alam ko na matured ka na, pero dito pa rin talaga ako bilang friend mo para tulungan ka, i-guide ka sa kung ano mo yung mga advices na kailangan mo or tulong hanggat sa makakaya ko. I want you to be wiser enough in everything that you do, especially yung mga decisions mo in life. And I want you to know that I'm just a text away, and I will be always here for you, no matter what, in good or in bad times. Thank you again, Tooth, for the friendship, and I want you to be happy always. More birthdays to come, and more candles to blow. And sana after mo mapanood ang video na to, sana i-text mo na ako, sana magbati na tayo. And sorry because ganito yung itsura ko dito sa video, ha. I wasn't feeling well kasi I used headset para maano yung boses ko, kasi kung hindi ako gagamit, super hindi marinig yung boses ko. Sana after mo mapanood ng video na to, sana magbati na tayo, ha. Sorry, medyo napahaba kasi nag-apologize pa kasi ako sa'yo. And I would like to thank Chrislyn because idea niya talaga to, gawan ka ng video. Kaya ayun, nakapag-sorry ako sa'yo, hindi man sa personal, pero through video. Sana pagbalik mo dito, makapag-bonding tayo, and sana magbati na tayo. Happiest 18th birthday, Tooth. I love you always, and sana safe ka lagi. And see you on May. Sending you there in Baguio, my hugs and kisses. Happiest 18th birthday, Tooth. I love you. Mwah. Bye-bye.
Hello, Nak! Happy birthday! And still, Diyoso pa rin ako. Swerte ka, pinanganak ka sa isang katulad ko. Ngayon, 18 ka na, pwede na kitang ipakulong. Ingat ka lagi dyan, and wish you all the best. And God bless. Huwag ka mag-alala. Aalagaan ko siya.
Happy birthday. Sino?
Secret!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yay!
Happy birthday.
Yay!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Bolbe pura ara kayo da. Si ayun na.
Pasalo po para pag-uwi mo, kaya alam ko
Gusto niya yung pagkain pero huwag mong bigyan.
magkamaliwala sa kanya, baboy siya. Sige na. Bye-bye!
Ako pa ngayon, ikaw baboy.
Happy
Bye.
birthday! Happy birthday! Hello, anak! Again, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, ito yung reason kaya bakit gabi na umuwi si Chrislyn, pati lagi kami magkasama kasi nag-effort kami magawa ng video para sa'yo kasi ganyan ka ka-special sa kanya, pati sa amin lahat. Yun lang, sana maintindihan mo. And yung best friend mo andun, nagkagapa daw, ha? Kaya intindihin mo na lang din. Anyway, we love you so much and I miss you. Bye!
Happy birthday. Ingat lagi. I miss you. Bye. Hi, ate. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. You're legally free to go. Joke lang. Thank you for always being there for me. Alam mo, andito din ako for you. Follow your dreams. I love you. I miss you. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hello, Favor. Alam ko it's your special day. Ano bang sasabihin?
Payborn, on your birthday, on 18,
I wish you to have more blessings from God and graces so that you will go on your studies. And I pray that you will have the best of health.
Okay na, Pangkat.
Anak, happy birthday. Gusto na namin. Sana kahit malay tayo, ligaya pa rin tayo. Gawin mo lang na anong tama. Nandito ako sa suporta sa iyo. Sana matapos mo ang pagbudyar. At isa na yung bago mo. Siya na, sa birthday.
Message po.
Hello, February Rose. Alam mo, ang daspat itong kwan na ito. Hindi namin alam, hagardo po pa ako. O, pinapawisan. Alam ko, nagpo kami dito lang sa bahay. Si Tasha nang at saka si Lola ang hindi nag-fever. So, may God bless you more na mag-18 ka na. Sana nga, hindi become matured and yung alam mo na ano ang mali at saka mali, especially nandiyan ka sa Philippine Bible College. Sana you will be also model to other Christians as young as you are. Kaya don't forget that we have a mission in this world. That's why nandyan ka sa PBC. I love you. Saka, I love you talaga.
May naiyak si
I want to
Auntie.
embrace you, but I can't. Sa ano na lang, sa pamamagitan na lang ng salita. I love you, ano, may boyfriend ka na? Sabihin mo lang, tutulungan kita. Mag-TV. Okay, I hope na magkaroon ka ng boyfriend. Sana. Christian, love you, and mature. Marunong maghawak ng martilyo. Saka lagari. Magpukpuk. Yun.
Marunong ako kumarin.
Baril, ayaw ko. Okay lang, basta baril na Bible. Okay, bye-bye.